You know what, guys, this forward lift is looking pretty awesome, but I realize that there is one thing that it's just kind of missing. Let's see. Let me see if I can fix it. There we go. Now it's perfect. Or is it? Wait a minute. It's kind of missing something on the left-hand side now. Yep, there we go. That is much better. Go Gators. We'll see you next week.